Global warming, in a natural and controlled form, is necessary for life because it contributes to the Earth's greenhouse effect, which maintains a temperature range suitable for life. The Earth's atmosphere contains greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor that trap some of the sun's heat. Without this natural greenhouse effect, the Earth's average temperature would be about -18 degrees Celsius, making it too cold to support most forms of life as we know them. This natural warming effect keeps the planet's climate stable, allowing ecosystems to thrive, water to remain liquid, and living organisms to survive and evolve. Impacts of excessive global warming on our ecosystems and biomes. Excessive global warming, driven by human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, disrupts this delicate balance, leading to severe consequences for ecosystems and biomes. Melting polar ice and rising sea levels. Excessive warming causes polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, leading to rising sea levels. This results in the loss of coastal habitats, increased flooding, and the displacement of species and human populations. Ocean acidification. Increased carbon dioxide levels are absorbed by the oceans, causing acidification. This disrupts marine ecosystems, particularly coral reefs, which are essential for biodiversity. Acidified waters make it difficult for organisms like corals, mollusks, and some plankton species to form shells and skeletons. Disruption of weather patterns. Warmer temperatures lead to more extreme weather events, such as stronger hurricanes, longer droughts, and more intense heat waves. These events can devastate ecosystems, cause crop failures, and reduce freshwater availability. Shifts in species distribution. As temperatures rise, species are forced to migrate to cooler areas. Some may not adapt quickly enough, leading to local or global extinctions. This alters food webs and disrupts ecosystem services such as pollination and soil fertility. Biome alterations. Excessive warming can transform entire biomes. For instance, tundra regions may become boreal forests, while temperate forests could shift to grasslands or deserts. Such changes disrupt the balance of life as species lose their habitats, leading to reduced biodiversity. Coral bleaching. Warmer ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching, where corals expel the algae, called zooxanthellae, that give them color and energy. This leads to the death of coral reefs, which are vital to marine life and coastal protection. Impact on agriculture. Changing climate conditions affect crop yields, pest distribution, and growing seasons. Some regions may become less suitable for traditional farming, leading to food shortages and economic challenges. In summary, while natural global warming is essential for sustaining life on Earth, excessive global warming poses significant threats to the stability and health of our ecosystems and biomes.